Hi, and thank you for downloading the extension. So in this video, we're going to go over how to get this nice little menu in the top right corner and how to use it. First, I'm going to get caught up with you. I'm going to install the extension, add extension. Now you notice we get this menu right here, but in order to pin it, you're going to hit this puzzle piece, then you're going to select this pin. So make sure it's nice and highlighted. I'm going to turn it off because my extension's the current extension. And now you have this entire menu to work with. So a couple of key things. You have 5 different controls here. You could change your font, your overlays, your reading controls, your ruler, and your general controls. The font manip, the overlays, and the ruler all have toggle switches at the top. So if you want to toggle them on when a page loads up, you could toggle it on by hitting the switch up top, and then toggle it off if you don't want it to load in automatically. You could also toggle the individual properties for the font manip, so you're able to customize it however you want. And then on any page, let's go to Wikipedia for example. If for some reason somebody comes over and wants to read it, you could always toggle it off, and it goes back to the original font. And then if you need to go back to reading it, you could hit F and it'll go back on. So as of version 2.0, the font manip, the overlays, and the ruler all have hotkeys. And you can see a full list of the current hotkeys in the general controls tab. By default, the extension updates all pages whenever something saves on the extension. So if we increase our scale to something like 2, turn that on, you can see that it automatically updates. If we don't want that feature, we could turn that off by going to general controls and then go to the top where it says update pages when updated. Click that off, and it'll no longer automatically update. So let's go back to the font manip, change our font, and as you can see, it only updates the GUI, it doesn't actually update the actual screen. Until, of course, we hit F twice. Now, if you want to connect with other users, you could go to our General Controls tab, and there are 3 different groups that we currently run. A Discord chat, a Reddit, and a Facebook group. If you want to join, make new friends, talk to the developers, feel free to join. We'd love to have you. And then on the top right, we have our supporters tab, which lists all of the supporters who donate to our Patreon. If you go to the Patreon, you can see all the membership levels. We decided to make this free so that everybody could use it. However, updating the extension is not free. So we very much appreciate your support if you choose to support us. Membership ranges from $5 all the way up to $100 and includes Discord privileges and the ability to link your personal projects within the extension. And we very much appreciate every donation. If you get stuck with anything, you could always go to db.4ijimmy.com and go under the Features tab, select the feature you're struggling with, and it'll bring you directly to a video and show you all the different controls for the feature. So I'm on the font manip. I have no idea how to use it. Just go here. In this video, we're going to talk about Jimmyception. Nice. The site also has an install link, an about page, a shop, which is still under production at the moment, and a way to contact us. Anyway, that's all for now. Happy browsing!
Dyslexia, also known as reading disorder, is a disorder characterized by difficulty reading in individuals with otherwise unaffected intelligence. 6 different